Yeah, hello guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy USDT from your Binance account. Alright, so if you have seen my channel for the first time, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel, I talk about make money online, cryptocurrency, marketing, and lots more. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so before now, you can easily buy crypto from the Binance P2P platform, alright, or you can use the normal escrows on Binance to buy USDT directly from the Binance app. But since the ban on the Binance P2P platform in Nigeria, you can no longer use the platform to buy USDT directly from the platform, right? So, but the only alternative way that you can use to do this right now is to buy from other exchanges and transport to your Binance account, alright? So, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in this video. So, all you have to do is stay tuned to the end of. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can buy USDT on Binance, alright? Now I want to be very open and sincere to you all right now. To buy USDT on Binance as it stands now is 100% impossible, all right? And that is because of the crypto ban, right? The P2P exchange ban currently in Nigeria. On Binance, you can no longer use their P2P platform. KuCoin, you can no longer use their P2P platform, and a whole lot of other exchanges, alright? But then there are other exchanges that you can actually still use their P2P platform on, which is what I'm going to be showing you today, alright? Now, before now, you can easily buy USDT on Binance by just coming here, alright, on the Lemon, and then you go to P2P, alright? Go to P2P and you can be able to select any of the apps and buy your USDT. Alright, now you can see, if you look very well, you see that this is not Naira. Alright, the Naira option has been removed from the Binance P2P currencies. You can no longer see the Nigerian Naira. Alright, so you can see, if we scroll down now to end, alright, you can no longer see the Nigerian Naira on the Bybit exchange, and that is because it has been banned. Alright, so to buy and sell to buy USDT rather on Binance, you need to use a different exchange. There are different exchanges you can use. You can use Bybit. I did a video on 5 sites you can use to buy and sell USDT, alright, and I'm going to link it to this video. I'm going to put it towards the end of this video, alright. You can use any of them. Bybit is there. I believe Bybit is popular. Most people must already have accounts on Bybit, alright. So you can easily use Bybit to buy your USDT, alright. After you must have bought your USDT from Binance, you can come to your wallet, alright. You can come to your wallet, then go to USDT, alright. Copy your USDT address, then go to Bybit and transfer it from there, alright. That is the only way you can buy USDT on Binance in 2024. There is no way you can buy it within the app, right? Now let me show you. For example, if you click on this buy icon, I've already showed you the P2P part, alright. If you click on this buy icon now, it's going to ask you, alright. You can see the reason why this thing is showing here is because normally before now it was on, I don't know, I switched my currency to this particular DOP. That's the reason why it's showing me P2P and co, alright. So but before now, the only thing you can see here is your accounts. You are not allowed to use the P2P platform, alright. So you can see it's even locked. It's still showing locked. You can buy you can use your Naira to buy USDT currently in Nigeria, on Bybit in Nigeria right now, alright. So that is it. The only way you can buy USDT on Binance right now is to buy from Bybit first, then send the USDT that you purchased from Bybit to your Binance account. Then you can use it to do whatever you want to do, alright. And again, when you also want to sell it, alright, when you want to sell the USDT, or maybe when you must have made some profit and all, and you want to take your profit, you want to convert it back to Naira, there's no way you can as well do that on Binance again. You have to either take it back to Bybit or any other crypto exchange and sell it there. Alright, so that is it. I hope you got value from this video. Alright, if there's anything you want me to talk about on this, or if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, you can as well let me know in the comment section. Let's look into it. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.